Hey, it's James Nicholson, and I'm in an incredible place right now in New York called Cat's Deli. If you look at the pictures on the wall, literally every celebrity you can imagine has been here. And one thing that these guys have got really nailed down is their expert status, and they've done that with content. Now, content that they're producing is videos of their sandwiches. They've got people taking pictures and sharing that all on social media, and that has resulted in probably the busiest sandwich shop I've ever seen in my life. I mean, look at the queues over there, people waiting, there's queues outside, probably like 500 or 600 people in this place. The sandwiches also are premium pricing because they've got that expert status. They're able to charge literally $25 for a pastrami sandwich, which is absolutely incredible. So think about how you could do that in your business. Could you become the expert, known by everybody, have queues around the block? Because if you do that, that will make a big difference. Comment below. I'd love to hear what you think about how you could get your business to be an expert, and I'll personally reply to all of those. See you soon.